getting ready to service and work on TPMS, you need to have some standard operating procedures in place. You know, everyone in the shop needs to know what to do when these vehicles come in, what to look for, pre-evaluate every vehicle, test before you touch. I mean, how do you know if it's broken before or after you work on it? All right? You need to know what you're dealing with before it's a problem. Right? That is probably the most important thing you could ever do in a shop, okay, to make sure that you know what you're getting into. One of the biggest issues we face all the time on phone calls is nobody can tell me which light is on. Okay? I always hear all the time, well, the TPMS light's on. Which one? What's it doing? Is it solid? Is it flashing? That tells you different things, doesn't it? Right? If you have the solid indicator, that's a low tire pressure telltale. So it's informing you of an inflation issue. So that tells you what your next step is, what you need to look at. If it's a mill, if it's flashing, that's informing you of a malfunction. Something's broken. So that leads you to your next step. If you can't successfully identify which light's on and what the system is telling you from the beginning, you're going to be pounding your head against the wall, trying to fix things that didn't need fixing. All right? Get familiar with your tools and your products, the types of sensors you're selling, okay, how to install them properly, how to program them. A lot of information is ending up on these TPMS tools as well. There's additional menus in them that people get so comfortable with using the tool a certain way, they don't notice the new updates that come out on these tools for these troubleshooting issues, for some tips and tricks. Okay?